This application called Inventory Card Report will allow you to print a PDF and also generate an XLS file report of your inventory. So let's see how that's possible. So first we will go to Inventory, we will go to Reporting, and under Reporting we have a new submenu called Inventory Card Report. As soon as you open that, you can add the start date and the end date of the report that you want to generate. So here I'm adding the start date and the end date. I will add the warehouse. I will also add the location. If you do not want to add the location, you can skip that as well, but you should add the location. And you can also select the products from here. So let's say I'm selecting all the products and I will print the PDF. You can see a PDF report has been generated of the product from April to August, and you have the warehouse location details and also the product details, the quantities in and out, and the balance with the date. So let's see how it looks if I print the XLS report. So let me also print the XLS report. This is how the XLS report will look like. You can see we have the same details here over here, but in the XLS format. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.